All right, so I'm just gonna say there's just gonna need to be not a lot of adjusting. Just it's all psychology for real because let me just go over the setup. As you can see, account balance 51.1k. We're in. I'm not even worried about the drawdown too much. I just know it's all my doing, and I just need to lock in. And market conditions have been pretty tough lately too, so I'm not too mad about it. But let me just go over the position. Super solid position. The entry was solid, was more than solid. It went to drawdown like once, but it was just me. Okay, so coming into market open, I'm reading I'm reading AMD. My bias is shorts, but on market open and then some, we get big significant dump. And what did we do? We dumped and then took out this hourly liquidity and tapped into here, got a strong rejection. So seeing that, my bias kind of flipped to longs because I don't know, the short move looked over, the rejection looked nice. It was a super key level. I mean, I don't know, I just feel like it's a really key level. Let's see. From here. Yep. Fair value gap right on the OTE. I mean, that's a solid rejection point, solid key level. So the rejection was nice. Following that, what did we get? I mean, let me also add that also correlated with the 7 a.m. PO3 candle. So we put in that bottom wick, and we also created SMT at the low, rejected off of a fair value gap and liquidity resting in OTE. I mean, the position was insane. It's a super solid position. So the entry was right here, right above this fair value gap. We didn't really inverse on ES, but we didn't dump down low enough to inverse anything anyway. But yeah, so that was the initial entry. And fuck, bro, this is just it's just gay. Like I need to be more patient. I don't know. It's just all me. I need to figure it out. I need to dive into this last 2 weeks of just these last 2 weeks of drawdown, really go over my positions and the losses that I took, and see how I can bounce back from it, because a lot of it is me. I entered on super solid positions on banger trades, 100 plus point setups. This was a 100 plus point setup. I didn't capitalize. I entered the trade. I wanted that to happen. Didn't happen. But why did I here? So I entered here. I put stops to break even. I was like, bruh, I'll just put stops to break even, because you had strong momentum here. I thought we were gonna inverse and then maybe come down here, tap, whatever, and then go. Now looking back at it, why even put it at break even, right? Why put it at break even? Just let it run. Even wants to come down here, sure, let it inverse and then let it work. But I didn't do that. But I mean, this recap was simple. I just gotta lock in my psychology, be able to hold my water when it's right. But so I left here at break even. I entered here for 4 cons because I was like, okay, we inverse this, we should send now. I'm not too worried about the drawdown. That being said, we're respect for value gap. The next inverse for value gap, my thought process is the move's over. We already have a SMT at the high as well. That confirms the bearish momentum or the market structure shift. So I exited for a loss of for a loss of $92. So I guess I'm just being really risk averse. Like I'm trying to be real conservative with my risk. Maybe that's the backfire, but I'm not too sure. It's something to look into. But yeah, that's basically the trade recap. That's the L for today. $92 loss. It's tough. On the week, I'm what am I on the week? $216 down for the week. But yeah, so I'm just gonna dive into how I can fix this stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna bounce back. We're good. We're straight. Leg it, leg up.